Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to extend RAM on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, as software and applications become more demanding over time, having more RAM ensures that your device remains capable of handling future updates and newer software versions. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter the settings on your device. Well, so here you can scroll down until you find Device Care menu and tap on it. Next, select Memory option. After that, scroll a little bit. And here, choose RAM Plus option. Okay, so on this page, you'll find some options. And you can select on one of the options below according to your needs. Okay, lastly, click Restart here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to extend RAM on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.